Is Sculptique really restoring your body's natural 24-hour lymphatic cycle? Or is this just another wellness product making big promises? Let's break it down. Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we uncover the truth behind trending products and websites so you don't waste your money. So Sculptique claims it can restore your body's natural 24-hour lymphatic cycle, reduce fluid retention and bloating, improve sleep quality, eliminate joint stiffness, boost energy, and even improve emotional balance. That's a lot of benefits for one product. Whenever a product promises better sleep, less pain, more energy, mental clarity, and emotional balance all at once, that's your first red flag. Real health improvements usually take time and depend on multiple factors like diet, exercise, and medical conditions. The lymphatic system doesn't simply turn off and need resetting overnight. It works continuously as part of your immune and circulatory systems. No wearable, mat, supplement, or device can magically reset a 24-hour biological cycle unless there's strong clinical proof behind it. And here's the key question. Are there verified medical studies? Are doctors endorsing it publicly? Is there transparent company information and a clear refund policy? If those things are missing, proceed with caution. Many wellness products use buzzwords like detox, restore balance, and boost energy without solid scientific backing. Testimonials alone are not proof. Before buying, check independent customer reviews, company registration details, clear contact information, realistic refund guarantees. If the website is new, has copied images, or vague product explanations, that's another warning sign. So, is Sculptique legit or a scam? Right now, there's no strong public medical evidence supporting all these dramatic claims. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but the promises sound exaggerated. My advice? Don't rely on miracle solutions. If you're dealing with sleep issues, joint pain, or bloating, consult a healthcare professional instead of trusting bold online claims. If you found this review helpful, like this video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor and comment below the next product you want me to investigate. Stay smart, stay alert, and always research before you buy. Thank you.